Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about something important but often ignored. Importance of documenting asset details including financial and non-financial assets, adding nominations details to the financial asset, and also the benefits of creating a will in India. We spend all our lives working hard, saving money, buying insurance and investing in different assets. Have you ever thought what happens to all this if something happens to you? Does anyone know about these asset details? Let me talk about some eye-opening numbers as of 31st March 2024. 78,213 crores lying in unclaimed bank deposits. 20,062 crores lying in unclaimed insurance. 8,505 crores lying in inoperative employee provident fund accounts. For stocks and mutual funds, it's a big hassle if there is no nomination or if you do not have a registered will. We need to procure family tree, succession certificate, it requires multiple court visits, and it can cost up to 15% of the asset value to obtain the same. 5 minutes of nomination effort can save a lot of energy, money, and peace for your family. So here is what you need to do to safeguard your hard-earned money. Share asset details with someone you trust. Check whether all nominations are in place. And also check whether nominee details are as per their latest KYC. If there is a mismatch, update the latest nomination detail. So let me come to non-financial assets now. Non-financial assets include real estate like land and buildings, gold and silver, vehicles, machines, unsold farm produce, arts and antiques. Non-financial assets will be transferred as per the registered will if there is a will. If there is no will, it will be transferred as per the inheritance laws of India. A will can include both financial and non-financial assets. Here is something important. If your will says one thing and nomination says something else, a will override the nomination unless nomination is done after registering the will. If there are any such complications, please do consult your lawyer. At the end of the day, it's not just about money. It's about reducing paperwork for your family. A little effort now can save a lot of hassles for your family tomorrow. Take care and remember, where there is a will, there is a way.